Yeah, it's been a busy time. We have started to play out this vision of expanding DoubleVerify from protection into performance. It started with our acquisition of Scibids a little bit over 2 years ago, which is an algo-based optimization company. It grew as we focused on new performance metrics like attention, and the latest addition to that kind of a holy trinity of verification, optimization, and then performance measurement was the acquisition of Rockerbox, which we just announced earlier this year, which is a multi-touch attribution and media mix modeling company that kind of allows us to see, and advertisers to see what's working and what's not working and where they should allocate their media spend.
Well, this is a sort of a simple question, but why is performance more important now than it had been, and what's the opportunity?
I think performance has always been important to advertisers. I think whether times are good or bad economically, advertisers want to know that their dollars are being spent efficiently and effectively. Part of that equation has always been the media quality that they've been engaged with, and that was DV's core and our founding driver, which is media quality drives performance. But more, as the business continues to grow and as advertisers' focus continues to shift into hardcore performance metrics, particularly in times when budgets start getting tight, we've evolved along with them. And I think now more than ever, quality and performance go hand in hand. And having both of those assets for us is a really cool place to be.
So what is the state of the ecosystem? Is it a safe place? Is it still a little funky? Where do you see things in terms of brand safety and verification?
Look, context and content has always been challenging, whether you're in social media environments or in the open web. I think that dynamic has gotten a little bit more hyperactive, let's say, due to the kind of emergence of made for advertising content and kind of AI generated, what we call AI slop, right? There's a lot of content out there that's being generated by AI that isn't exactly bad or unsafe, but it isn't exactly high quality either. So I think the ecosystem is as safe or unsafe as it always has been, but I think the suitability aspect of the ecosystem has gotten a bit trickier because just because something's safe doesn't mean it's suitable, right? And I think that's where brands are navigating now, and a lot of AI generated content is certainly safe, but the quality of it just isn't suitable for a brand.
So Mark, what's your take of the state of digital media? We've been covering this. We've been on the scene together for many years.
Yeah.
How do you see it?
I mean, look, judging by the enthusiasm and the number of people that are possible, obviously the ad tech ecosystem is pretty healthy, right? I mean, if you look at the number of people here in Miami and the new businesses that continue to thrive and grow, it's a robust ecosystem. And I think changes in the order of kind of industry dominance continue to evolve. And I think companies like DV continue to evolve as well. And I think that's the exciting part of where we all sit, is that nothing sits still in advertising. And Possible didn't exist 3 years ago, right? And now look at it, there's 5,000 people here. There are technologies that didn't exist a few years ago that are now becoming dominant. AI and agentic AI are going to be driving the future of many different aspects of the ad business, and that's exciting stuff.